Hey guys, it's SCryptoTrader here. In this video, I'm going to share with you the next update on Bitcoin because I've already done once right here 3 days ago, and it did play out quite well. If you haven't watched the video, first watch that. I'll just repeat what I've said there, a little bit of that. If you're not following me on social medias, make sure you do. Links are gonna be in the description. You'll find a Linktree link, and you can just click on that. You will get all my social media list. All right, Bitcoin. I took this projection from last bull run up here, this area, and I was thinking we might just see something like that because market wants to punish the bulls, and this is a big weekly range, and a lot of accumulation happened here. If you see these wicks are very clear that a lot of dip buying was happening, and right here as well, and right here, and then the market takes all the lows to take all the stop losses before it goes up. And there was a huge volume spike on this dip here that came to 53,500. If you have watched my last video, I have mentioned on that this is the area that I'm personally looking at to buy, and that area was around this range. It came so close to it, and it happened when I was sleeping. So middle of the night, I missed the trade, and then I've been waiting to get another one, and again I was sleeping that time. So the luck is not amazing. I've shared this trade with a friend. I don't take shorts. I only do spot trading. So one of my friend was saying he wants to short Bitcoin, and I saw there was a small rejection. The price was climbing up, but suddenly it broke the lows high, and then there was lower high. I said this could be a potential opportunity if you wanna get in it. And this morning I woke up, see the chart, and it was down. When I see the chart, it was around 56,300. And by the time I wake up and get out of the bed and all that, and when I see the chart again, it was spiked up high. And I don't chase charts, but in bigger picture, it's not bad. If you think about, let's say this is the bottom, there's gonna be new high, stop loss here 2-3%, but upside potential is huge. For me, I have my long-term position in Bitcoin, which I do not touch. For me, it doesn't matter what happens in short term. This is why I allow my greed, because if it goes up, it's gonna benefit me. Long term is gonna go up because de-dollarization is coming and it's happening. So yeah, right now what I'm looking for is potentially this break, because you wanna see that this area being broken, which has been tested 3 times already. And if that area breaks and holds, definitely it needs to hold. The break should not just be a tiny bit, it needs to be a sharp, big, nice candle up, and then small pullback showing a one. Let me just show it for you. All right, whenever there's a break, you don't want to see a tiny break and then rush into it. Let it break and then a pullback, and then get in this pullback, and then ride the move next. But yeah, right now social media is crazy bearish, very bearish. I don't want to get in here, but social media is pushing me, because when everyone is bearish, I'm bullish. This is how I trade. I trade based on psychology and sentiments of the market. I go see, because there's a lot of influencers running the poll. I see it running the Facebook groups, Twitter, everywhere, YouTube polls. That shows me what is going on in the market and where the sentiment stands. Okay, I've shared some in my last video about RNDR. This was the projection right here. This was drawn in the video if you haven't watched the video, and exactly it wicked and followed, because I've mentioned that I want this week, this week, this week, all the weeks lows being taken, and this of course 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5-6 weeks, big long daily weeks that's been taken out before it caught up. And that was a nice setup, very small. So after first rejection on 1 hour, this trade could have been taken with small tiny stop loss. Look at the volume that came in this. All right, there was a small pullback as well. I mean, there was very good setup. The market has not done much. If you see from the top, this is nothing. Like, a lot of people just stop rushing, forming into things. Nothing to worry about. I've shared about Sol as well, that I'm really looking to get Sol below these lows, 115 lows. It did take this low off. I quite not taken that. I was really hoping to get some Sol, because I believe Sol is one that can go for new high. If you see my projection for a while, I have this projection made. I really want to see, it's a big range it's making right now. In weekly charts, almost all the charts that I've looked at is bullish. So you have big leg up, big consolidation, probably next leg up, and this is what I'm waiting for. Same goes with Bitcoin as well. We have a bullish chart. This is a demand zone which has not been tested, but this week has this fair value zone has been filled now almost. Let's see what happens. I'm still observing. I'm gonna keep you updated, because when it comes to my X, I've been sharing, just posted 23 minutes ago yesterday, so regularly I've been updating it with videos. Sometimes just, it depends. If I can make videos, I do make them. I can't promise about video, but I do post regularly on Discord. You can join the Discord as well. Link is going to be in the description. And yeah, same thing here. I was expecting this to come around this zone. It would be nice to see, but it came close to it. I mean, if you're not greedy, you want to get in. This gave a good bounce as well. Huge volume spike came in, and there was a lot of fear. 3 big red candles coming in. That creates a lot of fear. And that's what caused. The first move was because I've explained that the buy walls, the sale orders books are very thin, which causes the price to spike quickly, and then the buyers that were stuck, those who are buying these lows right up here, and they want to get out of break even or cut their losses, and then the price drops. And yeah, when it start dropping, everyone starts getting scared, and the close was very bearish, to be honest. I still don't know exactly what I'm expecting from the market. The only something is creating huge hype because of the Telegram games. I don't know exactly what to expect right now from Telegram games. What they're gonna gonna bring, it all depends on that. How we're going to see Tone keep, because I think Tone's still due for a big leg up. The FOMO rally, the end of bull market, maybe happen later. But right now, I don't see a reason why Bitcoin bull run is ended, because last time we had twice, like market tried to test those who missed the rally. They joined the second rally down here, and we had the fake outs and all that. But this time I want to see Bitcoin trying to break and go for a new high, and there's a huge potential we can see that. I don't want to say, it just doesn't make sense. It goes up here and then just stays up here, and then we go bear market again. It does not make sense. Okay, we want to see Bitcoin spending time here, probably a little bit more, and then break high, test 90 to 100k, whatever people want to say that, because there's going to be a huge barrier when it comes to 100k. It's a psychological number, and then we'll see probably some kind of pullback. Okay, let's project it. All right, we see this, and we see a pullbacks coming, and I really want to see Bitcoin to break 100k this time, because there was too much noise around last time, and there's a lot of people bearish in Bitcoin right now, to be honest. Other than social media, those that do engagement farming, other than that, I see a lot of bears in the market. I don't see big titles or anyone saying new highs coming, 100k, all that. Not as much as it was last time around these highs. So I think it's doing its thing now. Big whales are buying, ETF is there, a lot of demand. There's a potential we should see this year new high, and then 100k retest or so, or even break. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to keep it short because last video was quite long, and yeah, I got a feedback. Keep it short. Right now we are in the range. Right now I'll tell you 2 things I'm looking for. I've already mentioned you want to see a break up high. If we break to the lows, I would, to be honest, want to see it coming now. This time I want to see it coming in this zone, this big zone, or at least come 50k fake out, take these lows down here, and this low. If it comes down, then only I'm interested, because I already took the buyers that were supposed to chase this move that I was looking at. They already been used for the liquidity. Either we go up from here. Weekly chart doesn't look too bad, because what weekly shows us is that we had a fake out. Close to me does not matter as much, and then we're going up. We had a bunch of these fake outs, and the market just gives up. Okay, Capitulation did not happen yet. The kind of capitulation I'm looking for, the one happened right here, this one, it did not happen yet because I want to see a big ass candle. Let me show you this kind of candle. I want to see huge longs liquidation, this last big candle with a volume spike like this. It might already happen. This is like, maybe it's a bit different this time. This is what I'm trying to say. There was some buyers that did not let it capitulate as much, but yeah, because as I said, not everyone is crazy long on Bitcoin or super bullish. Maybe the capitulation was a little different. 3 days red. It might already happen. It might just happen again. Who knows? We will see when the time comes. But right now we have this lower high, 64k. We have to break that. Weekly is bullish still, but daily is not much. Yeah, daily is not bullish because the structure broke multiple times, and we have a new lower low. As long as we don't break this 64 and reclaim the area, we wouldn't go high. But again, by that time you are late. I mean, it's late entry. It all depends what kind of entries you want. If you want risk entries, safe entries, it all depends to person, investor to investor, trader to trader. Either you want to DCA at lower prices or you want to get a confirmation entry. I mean, of course, you can set new setup, new stop loss. Like for example, let's say if it goes up from here, right? I would personally, this will be an early entry, right? I would personally say, let's say my stop loss is below this. This is a higher low on 1 hour. This will break and high. It could just fake out and then take my stop loss. Okay, this can happen. Or either if you want even safer entry, but that could do the same thing, fake out. This is the trading. Trading is about probabilities. You don't know. You can set a stop loss, entry, limit order, stop order, that if it breaks up high, then you buy. And yeah, you set stop loss thinking this is high low. Only if it goes up here you'll buy. If it goes down, you never buy. Same thing here. To early entry to me would be like this, but I'm not confident because it could just take the highs off and it never shows us a good break and then keep scrolling down. But so far volume picked up. Last few hours, everything looks okay to me when it comes to playing a bullish scenario, because social media is crazy bearish on it. So that's why I was thinking, all right, maybe this could be a good setup. It's all about risk and reward. I've taken a bunch of trades. I've made very good rewards on many trades. One done is, I think this was break even. This was small profit. This was bigger profit, and this was a stop loss. No, this was a stop loss. This was a break even. This one was, I've shared in the last video. This was a stop loss. So for me, it's fine. I overall I'm in profit. I'm happy taking small stop losses. So you shouldn't be afraid of taking small stop losses. And yeah, just take the trades and see, learn. You need to see where you're making mistakes, what you can improve in. That's all what matters in trading. Improve regularly. Have a good day, guys. Let me know if you want to see anything else. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.